Hello friends, good morning. It's cloudy here in the camp today. And we are preparing our breakfast. So these are our food. We have pasta there, we have cheesecake, we have coffee, and I am boiling the water. See? And this is the camp. We have neighbors there. There's another lonely camper there too. And this is the view here. We are surrounded by trees because we are in the middle of the national park, in the forest here in Foster. And this is the view here. We will try to do fishing here. It's beautiful. Have a look. It's beautiful here. It's a bit cold now because it's already autumn here. So, wow, what a, see, look at this. It would be nice to canoe, but it seems like it's like scary to swim. I think I don't want to swim. See, look at this. Oh, look at this view. Mm. Nature talaga. Nakakaano naman, nakaka-amaze ang nature. And sound of birds. It's a bit cold, but still manageable. Okay, we'll check now if it's okay, the water now, if it's already boiling. It took us 4.5 hours drive because it's supposed to be 3 hour and a half, I think, but it's so traffic yesterday in the way, so we were stuck in the traffic for an hour. Oh, it's almost boiling. Okay, that's our food. So I will titimpla na ako. Oh, that's the rubbish bin. And last night there's so many stars. It's so nice, but there's a lot of mosses, but we have katul, mosquito coil. Okay, that's it for today friends. We will enjoy our breakfast. Today is Friday. We still have Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And the activities for today is we're going to the town and have fish and chips. I want fish and chips. Okay, thank you friends. See you next time again. Bye.